Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Mr. Yuyu channel. Ako nga pala si Del. Um, Dating rockista. Ngayon, isa na lang akong listener. Anyways, ngayon, actually first time ko magre-react sa bandang to. Ang pangalan ng banda ay Rio Brothers. Magkakapatid. Totoo ata magkakapatid sila. I think they're siblings, yeah. So, nagpunta na ako sa channel na, nag-subscribe na ako. So, ang dami na nila nagawang video. Matagal na pala sila. So, like, first time ko pa lang. So, matagal na pala sila. Marami na sila nagawang video. Masyado na akong behind. So, pinili ko tong kantang New Kid in Town by Eagles. Kasi, one of my favorite song. Um, Kaya guys, bisitahin natin yung makinig tayo. Stay with me. Tingnan natin paano nila kinover yung kanta, paano nila pag pinaganda. Anyways, let's go. Wow! Nice!
There's talk on the street, it sounds so familiar.
Nice voice.
Great expectations, everybody's watching you. People you meet, they all seem to know you. Even your old friends treat you like there's something new. Johnny come lately,
Wow!
new kid in town. Everybody loves you, so don't let them down. You look in their eyes, the music begins to play. Hopeless romantics, here we go again.
Man, yung melody nila, sabay-sabay, ang galing. Ang galing ng pagkagawa nila doon sa original. Pero, parang, inano pa nila, parang, in-upgrade pa nila yung sounds, more catchy pa yung ginawa nila. Yung bassista, yung rhythm guitar, yung drummer, saka yung pianista, they're doing a great job. Pero yung singer, man, he does a lot, man. Rio Brothers, you guys rock. Man, lupit. Dang,
But after a while, you look in the mirror.
I love the melody.
It's those restless hearts
Wow, so
that
nice.
never met. Oh, Johnny come lately, the new kid in town. Will she still love you when you're not around? love you, don't they? Listen to her, listen to
Wow! Ayan, kung ito lang maririnig mo, galing.
There's a new kid in town.
Woo!
There's a new kid in town. Everybody's talking about the Everybody's talking about There's a new kid in town. I don't wanna hear it. There's a new kid in town. I don't wanna hear it. There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. Everybody's talking. There's a new kid in town. People started walking. There's a new kid in town.
Damn! Galing, man.
There's a new kid in town.
Wow! Excelente. Woo! Galing. Masasabi ko sa bandang to, sana one day magawa din sila ng original nila, pero kung dito sila sumisikat sa paggawa ng ng cover, ginagandahan pa nila. Pwede na rin, pero sana gumawa din sila ng original nila. Pero men, malupit yung bandang to. Kasi biro mo, magkakapatid sila. Iisa lang yung gusto nilang gawin. Nagkasundo sila sa music, you know. Kasi may iba diyan magkakapatid, kanya-kanya eh, di ba? Isa musician, isa adik, I mean, yung isa ano mga ginagawa, di ba? At least sila, yan lang yung hobby nila, no? Di mo, instrument, mga kung ano-ano, lahat. Di ba? Hindi ko alam mga pangalan nila, pero one day aalamin ko yan. Baka sa susunod na reaction video ko, alam ko na mga pangalan nila. Kung sino man yung nakakalam, comment down below. Pero, man, taas yung kamay ko sa magaling tong bandang to. Wala akong masabi. Lalo na yung singer, na ginagawa niya lahat. Siya na yung nagpa-plucking, siya pa yung nagde-lead. Hirap nun Tapos siya pa yung singer, tapos ganda pa ng boses. Pero lahat sila magandang boses. Lahat sila may that's why this is I love being Filipino. Kasi marunong tayo kumanta. Yun yung gusto ko sa pagiging Pilipino. Marunong tayo kumanta kahit ba minsan yung instrumenta mo tunog lata, kaya mo pa rin pagandahin yung tono. Ganun yung mga Filipino eh. Kaya pagdating talaga sa music, Filipino, one of the best. Yan. Yun po masasabi ko. Kaya tulad nila, yung kanta, nilagyan nila ng maraming kulay, pinaganda pa nila, minodernize nila yung kanta. Pero, para sa akin, mas maganda yung gawa nila kaysa doon sa, no disrespect doon sa Eagles, pero mas maganda yung record nila. That's my own perspective. Mas maganda yung record nila kaysa doon sa original. No disrespect sa Eagles, pero guys, thumbs up. 2 thumbs up sa akin. So, anyways, yun lang po masasabi ko. Thanks guys for watching. Hit like and subscribe and tell your friends about me. And see you guys next time.